Hello, welcome my dear students again. I hope you all are fine and staying at home and safe. I expect all of you might have started your studies as well and are doing your work in copy regularly and revising it as well. This video is meant for class LKG, subject English, and I am your teacher, Miss Priya Sharma. So students, first of all, let us revise the A sound words which we have studied in the last video. B, a, t, bat. K, a, t, cat. H, a, t, hat. M, a, t, mat. R, a, t, rat. F, a, n, fan. P, a, n, pan. M, a, n, man. S, a, d, sad. B, a, g, bag. Now let us start our topic for today, that is I sound words, and I make the sound of E. First of all, we will write down date here in this box. Next, we will write down day, the day which we are doing our work. Next, write down classwork. Then, our topic for today is I sound words. So, we will write I, and the sound that I produce is E. S, O, U, N, D, sound, W, O, R, D, S, words. I or E sound words. Write down number 1 here. So the first I sound words is 6. That is the number 6. How we will write? It is 6. S sound it is making. So first we will write S. Next, from this stroke, it is 6. E sound is coming. So in this E sound we will write I and X. Here we are going to write X sound as sound is coming, that is half K sound and S sound, mixed sound is there. 6, S, E, X, 6. Write down 2 number. Next word is bin. What is bin? In the dustbin that we are throwing our garbage. B, that is B, E, sound we have to see, sound we are telling E, but we will write down I. N, that is N. We are speaking sound, but we will write down English alphabets. B, E, N, bin. B, I, N, bin. Next, 3 number, pin. First of all, make P, that is P, E, I, N. P, E, N, pin. P, I, N, pin. Next, lid. L. From here join I. D. L. E. D. Lid. 5 number. For E, the E sound we will have to make I. N, we will make N. For E, N, fin. F, I, N, fin. 6 number. N, E, B. Nib. N-I-B, nib. N-E-B, nib. 7 number. B. E. And when you are making B and joining it with I, don't take this stroke downwards. You have to join it in the upper part only. Then B. B, E, B, bib. Next 8 number. L, E, P. Lip. L-I-P, lip. L-E-P, lip. 9 number. Z, E, P. Zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-E-P, zip. Next 10 number you can write down here. Wa. W produce the sound wa. E, and in case of W also, when we are joining W with I, join it in the upper part only. Don't take the curve down to the blue line. E, N, win. These are some of the I sound words which you have to study for your examination work. Let us revise these words again. These are the words which produce the sound E. They have the sound E in it, that is I sound. S, E, 6. B, E, bin. P, E, pin. L, E, lid. F, E, fin. N, E, nib. B, E, bib. L, E, lip. Z, E, zip. W, E, win. Now what you have to do is you have to complete this work in your copy and revise it properly before moving on to the next topic. So students, we have studied I sound words. Now we will move on to our next part related to this, that is name the picture of these I sound words we have studied now. So let us start our next topic, that is name the picture of I sound words that we have studied now. Again write down date here in this box. Next write down day here. Write down classwork. And then in the first line we will write down our topic for today. N, A, M, E, name. T, H, E, the. P, I, C, T, U, R, E. Name the picture. One number. First we will make picture, and this is the number 6. We will write down word here that we have already studied. E, X. That is 6. And don't forget to join the alphabets, otherwise it will be wrong. We are learning here how to join the alphabets here. 2 number. Next picture we are going to make. 2 standing. Next picture that we have made is a bin. Okay. B, E, N. Bin. B, E, N. Bin. Write down 3 number. Make a oval shape like this. Then a V shape. It is a pin. P, E, N. Pin. P, E, N. Pin. Next write down 4th number. First make a curve like this, then join here, then one more join line. Upper part we will make a circle here. It is a lid which is used to cover the balls, that is the utensils, bowls in which we are eating something. L, E, D, lid. L, E, D, lid. 5 number. Do you know what is it? It is a fish, but we are going to learn here is what is this part where the arrow is. These are the fins, and we are learning about the one fin. So it is a fin. For E, N, fin. 6 number. Make 2 lines. It is a nib. N, E, B, nib. N, E, B, nib. Seven number. It is a bib. B, E, B, bib. 8 number. Do you know what is it? It is a lip. First make L, L, E, P, lip, L, E, P, lip. 9 number. It is a zip. Z, E, P, zip. Z, E, P, zip. Next, we will write down 10 number here. One, two, three. When we win something, it is a winning position. So what we are going to write it here? W, I, that is E. No. W, E, now win. W, E, now win. So students, these are the name the picture of I sound words that you have to study by heart and learn it properly. Once again, we are going to revise these words. S, E, 6. B, E, na bin. P, E, na pin. L, E, the lid. F, E, na fin. N, E, nib. B, E, bib. L, E, lip. Z, E, zip. W, E, now win. So what you have to do now is you have to revise I sound words and name the picture of these I sound words properly. Complete this work in your copy and wait for the next video. Till then, learn this work and be regular with your studies.